Microorganisms are everywhere. They are too small to see without a microscope, but they are all around us, in the air, in the water, and in the soil. Microorganisms are incredibly diverse. Some are helpful, like the bacteria that live in our gut and help us digest food. Others are harmful, like the bacteria that cause diseases like cholera and tuberculosis. Despite their small size, microorganisms play a crucial role in our lives. They are essential for maintaining the balance of nature, and they are used in a wide range of industries, from food production to medicine. Understanding microorganisms is essential for understanding our world. By learning about their diversity, their benefits, and their dangers, we can better appreciate their importance and harness their power for good. Microorganisms are intricately linked to our health. While many microorganisms are beneficial, some can cause diseases. These harmful microorganisms are called pathogens. Pathogens can be bacteria, viruses, fungi, or parasites. They invade our bodies and disrupt normal bodily functions, leading to illness. Each pathogen has a unique way of causing disease. Some bacteria release toxins that harm our cells, while viruses hijack our cells to replicate themselves. Examples of diseases caused by bacteria include strep throat, urinary tract infections, and food poisoning. Viruses cause diseases like the flu, chickenpox, and HIV/AIDS. Despite the threat posed by pathogens, we are not defenseless. Our bodies and modern medicine have developed sophisticated ways to combat these microscopic invaders. We have developed powerful tools to combat infectious diseases, ranging from advanced diagnostic techniques to innovative treatments, and microorganisms themselves play a crucial role in these defenses. Beneficial bacteria and other microbes help maintain our health and can even be harnessed to fight off harmful pathogens. Antibiotics are a type of antimicrobial drug that specifically targets bacteria. They have revolutionized medicine by providing a means to treat bacterial infections that were once deadly. They work by killing bacteria or inhibiting their growth, effectively reducing the bacterial load in the body, giving our immune system a chance to fight off the infection. This synergy between antibiotics and our immune system is crucial for recovery. Vaccines are another powerful tool against infectious diseases. They have been instrumental in controlling and even eradicating some of the most dangerous pathogens. They work by exposing our bodies to a weakened or inactive form of a pathogen, triggering an immune response. This process trains our immune system to recognize and combat the pathogen more effectively. This prepares our immune system to fight off the actual pathogen if we encounter it in the future. The immunity developed through vaccination can last for years, providing long-term protection. The discovery of antibiotics and the development of vaccines are among the most significant achievements in medicine. These breakthroughs have transformed public health and saved millions of lives. They have saved countless lives and continue to protect us from the threat of infectious diseases. As we advance, our microbial allies and medical innovations will remain at the forefront of our fight against disease. Beyond their role in human health, microorganisms are essential for maintaining the balance of our environment. They act as nature's recyclers, breaking down dead organisms and waste products. This process of decomposition is crucial for several reasons. It releases nutrients back into the environment, making them available for other organisms to use. It also helps to prevent the buildup of dead matter, which could otherwise lead to environmental problems. Microorganisms are also involved in the cycling of other essential elements in the environment, such as carbon, sulfur, and phosphorus. These cycles are essential for maintaining the Earth's atmosphere, oceans, and soil. Section 5. The nitrogen cycle, a microbial balancing act. Nitrogen is an essential element for life, forming a crucial part of proteins and DNA. While nitrogen is abundant in the atmosphere, most organisms cannot use it in its gaseous form. This is where microorganisms come in. Certain types of bacteria have the remarkable ability to convert atmospheric nitrogen into forms that other organisms can use, a process known as nitrogen fixation. These nitrogen-fixing bacteria live in the soil and in the roots of certain plants, such as legumes. They convert nitrogen gas into ammonia, which can then be used by plants to build proteins. Other types of bacteria convert ammonia into nitrates, another form of nitrogen that plants can use. This process of nitrogen fixation, conversion, and assimilation is known as the nitrogen cycle. Section 6: Microorganisms in the food we eat. Microorganisms are not only essential for our health and the environment, but they also play a significant role in food production. From yogurt and cheese to bread and beer, many of the foods we enjoy are made with the help of microorganisms. One of the most well-known examples is fermentation, a process by which microorganisms convert sugars into other substances such as alcohol, lactic acid, and carbon dioxide. Fermentation is used to produce a wide variety of foods, including yogurt, cheese, bread, beer, wine, and sauerkraut. Each of these foods relies on different types of microorganisms, each with its own unique metabolic capabilities. In addition to fermentation, microorganisms are also used in other aspects of food production, such as food preservation and the production of food additives. Section 7: Fermentation, the magic of microbes. Fermentation is a fascinating process that has been used for centuries to create a wide variety of food and beverages. From the ancient civilizations that first discovered it to the modern techniques we use today, fermentation has played a crucial role in human history. It is a testament to the ingenuity of our ancestors, who harnessed the power of microorganisms long before we even knew they existed. These early pioneers laid the groundwork for the scientific understanding of fermentation that we have today. The basic principle of fermentation is simple. Microorganisms, such as yeast or bacteria, consume sugars and convert them into other substances. This transformation is what gives fermented foods and beverages their unique flavors and textures. This process can occur in the presence or absence of oxygen. Aerobic fermentation requires oxygen, while anaerobic fermentation does not. Each type of fermentation has its own specific applications and benefits. In the case of bread making, yeast consumes sugars in the dough and produces carbon dioxide, which causes the bread to rise. This not only makes the bread light and fluffy, but also imparts a distinct flavor. In beer brewing, yeast ferments sugars in barley to produce alcohol and carbon dioxide. This process is carefully controlled to create the desired taste and alcohol content in the final product. Yogurt and cheese production rely on lactic acid bacteria, which convert lactose or milk sugar into lactic acid, giving these products their characteristic tangy flavor. This fermentation process also helps preserve the dairy products and enhances their nutritional value. Section 8: Industrial applications of microorganisms. Beyond food production, microorganisms are also used in a wide range of industrial applications. Their unique metabolic capabilities make them valuable tools in various sectors, including biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, and bioremediation. In the pharmaceutical industry, microorganisms are used to produce antibiotics, vaccines, and other therapeutic proteins. For example, the antibiotic penicillin is produced by a type of mold called penicillium. In biotechnology, microorganisms are used in genetic engineering to produce enzymes, hormones, and other valuable proteins. They are also being explored for their potential in biofuel production and bioremediation, the use of microorganisms to clean up pollutants in the environment. The industrial applications of microorganisms are vast and constantly expanding as we continue to discover new ways to harness their power. Section 9: The future of microorganisms. Microorganisms have been our companions throughout history, shaping our world in countless ways, often without us even realizing it. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, these tiny entities play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of life on Earth. As we delve deeper into the microbial world, we continue to uncover new and fascinating aspects of these tiny titans. Their diversity and adaptability are nothing short of extraordinary, offering insights into the resilience of life itself. The future of microorganisms is bright. With each discovery, we open new doors to potential applications that could revolutionize various fields. With advances in biotechnology and our growing understanding of microbial systems, we are poised to harness their power in even more innovative and sustainable ways. These advancements could lead to breakthroughs that were once thought impossible. From developing new antibiotics to combat drug-resistant bacteria, which is a growing concern in modern medicine, to engineering microorganisms to clean up oil spills, thereby protecting our oceans and marine life, and produce biofuels, the possibilities seem endless. These biofuels could provide a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels, reducing our carbon footprint. By embracing the potential of microorganisms, we can unlock solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges in health, environment, and industry. Their applications are vast and varied, promising a future where we can live in harmony with these microscopic allies. The future belongs to those who can harness the power of the invisible world. As we continue to explore and innovate, microorganisms will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping a better tomorrow.